So here we are in this field. Now where is this field? Well, we're by the M53 junction 3 on the Wirral Peninsula, and we're kind of in a valley here, and just to the right of us here is a big hill. It's actually the hill range of Staunton all the way up to Bidston. It's quite a steep hill. If you were to drive up, you go up Swan Hill, then down towards Birkenhead on the other side. It's quite a big hill to get over. Now, can we get a camera high enough to see Liverpool from where we are in this valley? That's what we're going to find out now. So we're going to take this up and see if we can see Liverpool.
So we're at 10 metres altitude here, 10 metres above ground level, and from here we can see Prenton going up the hill. So we'll take it up a little bit further. So at 20 metres we can see the whole of the Homelands estate, and we can see Oxton at the top of the hill. And over towards Sainsbury's on the right. But what else can we see up here? So if we turn around to the right, we can see the rest of Prenton Dell, Staunton Hill in the distance. We can also see the Durley Industrial Estate. That's the estate over there, and junction 3 of the M53 is just behind us. Also the railway line going from Bidston down to Wrexham passes right behind us. And right into the sunset there, we're heading towards Woodchurch and Asda at Woodchurch. Now back turn round, let's go back towards Liverpool, and let's go up a bit to 30 metres. We're beginning to see a little bit more here. Now there's a sunset going on behind us. We're in the cloud, but the sun's just lighting up the hill. And we can see St Saviour's at the top of the hill up there. Let's go a little bit further. Now we're at 50 and 60 metres. Now we're starting to see something in the very distance. You can see the sunlight lighting it up as we're in cloud, but over in the distance still in sun. Any of these buildings recognisable? At 90 metres compared to ground level. Now the hill that we are trying to look over is actually quite prominent from this distance. You can really see how much it drops it below, behind the hill. And we can see the Liverpool skyline here at this height, all the way from Sefton in the left to the Liver buildings in the middle, and down to the Anglican Cathedral over to the right there. So now we're at the maximum altitude of 120 metres. So this is the most of Liverpool that we can see from here. That we can see from Seaforth in the left, past the Liver buildings, and right down to the bit where it widens by Garston. And can we see the Runcorn Bridge in the distance, where we can see Woodchurch Road in the bottom of the screen heading up towards Prenton. Now coming back, we can turn left and see more towards the north of the peninsula. Now most of New Brighton is hidden behind the hill of Wallasey. This is the motorway, the M53, and that railway line. Over to the left, that is the Woodchurch estate and the schools down there that you can see from the motorway. Back into the sunset. Now, if it wasn't for the brightness of the sunset, if this was done at a different time of day, then we can quite clearly see the Welsh Hills and the Clwydian Range, and even Moel Famau that's over there with the little building on the top. And we can see the fields of Landican heading up towards Thingwall as well. But this is what you can see from 120 metres from the valley of the Wirral Peninsula. Thanks for watching.